Hi, how are you? This is going to be a quick demo. So we have released this really cool software, WalkInto Tyler version 2.0. Version 2.0 brings a lot of very interesting changes in WalkInto Tyler. It's all positive changes. Installation is easier. Upgrade is easier. Integration with PanoHost is very tight and very robust. And there are some bug fixes that we have done for the overall tiling process also, mainly around the exit data. Okay, so downloading WalkInto Tyler latest version is always from panohost.in. So panohost.in, either you are using panohost or not using panohost, just get it from panohost.in. All right, so now when you download for your operating system, what you get is a zip file, and I'm just going to start doing my screen share and walk you through the rest of the things. There's going to be a little bit of a jitter when there's going to be this uh, loop where my screen will start repeating, but it will go away in a second. All right, fine. Okay, so from panohost.in, I downloaded this zip file and just unzip it, and what I get is a folder, and this folder is WalkInto Tyler and a bunch of files in there. All you need to do is run for this or look for this the files. It's an executable file for Mac and Windows and Linux. Everything is same, and just double click on it. So this is the easy part of running it. Unzip it, double click it, and it'll run. Now, when the tiler comes up, there's a little bit of configuration that is required. This is the default screen that will come up if you are running it for the first time. Almost everything is what we had earlier. There's the input directory, the output where the file should go out, the copyright text, the memory parameters, etc. And the new thing is the tight PanoHost integration requires that you to take the credentials from your dashboard on PanoHost and plug it in here. You can just look for the FTP section on your PanoHost dashboard and plug in your username and password here. And if you're not using PanoHost, don't worry about it. All the instructions just work as is. You can use FileZilla to or whatever you are using to host your Pano, so it will just work as is. This section makes life slightly easier for the PanoHost users. All right. Once you have the settings set up fine, um, uh, remaining tiling, etc., is exactly the same. We are not going to, um, we don't need to worry too much about it. It is you select the folder and it will do the batch tiling. That part is same. What is really cool is the next process. So I'll just wait for. I wouldn't tile this. It's okay. So here, so we have this upload icon on the right top, and this shows you your view of PanoHost local files and PanoHost. So there is no need to run for the FTP client anymore. Uh, the batch that you want to upload, just select that and click upload selected. So that will make the connection with PanoHost and put the files in there. It will take a little bit of time. Um, it is very robust. It checks for existing, etc., etc. I'm just saying upload it again. So it's uploaded schedule, and in a second or so, it starts in progress, and it just runs through the whole process. So while this is going on, you can take a look quickly at the PanoHost side of files also. It will be updated with the latest files that you have there. Once the upload is done, it usually takes about 5 to 10 minutes for the sync to happen with all our network servers around the world. But after that, you should be able to import to WalkInto and use it as you did before. And here, the last part that I want to show in this demo is the upgrade part. So, and we will be releasing good software updates frequently. And when you get a notification for that, all you need to do is to come here and click on this install updates button, and it will ensure that it downloads and installs the latest software without disturbing any of your files or settings. Okay, so really cool. Hope you'll enjoy it, and Thank you for joining.